As I understand, ICD is nothing but a long arm of the port. It is taking the infrastructural load of the port. Both Calcutta and Haldia, they are having a congestion every now and then. This is definitely going to help the port as well as the importers, exporters who are located in those regions. They can put it in bonded warehouse and clear cargo in proportions, paying duty. So it is a much easier operation. As Phillips Carbon Black, we are the largest exporter from eastern region at the moment. We export about 300 plus 40-foot containers every month through Calcutta and Haldia. Getting containers nearest to a factory will eliminate all detention costs.
Basically, the new ICD project which is coming up in Durgapur will be bringing the port nearer to the place. You know, it's a first dry dock of eastern India which is coming up here. The exporters and importers will get all the facilities what are available at the port at Durgapur only. So, a lot of the time wastage in the transit will be avoided. So will be the risk. Durgapur was one of the first places in Bengal where Export Promotion Industrial Park was put up by ADDA in the year 2000. Since then, many export oriented industries have come up, and in our Export Promotion Industrial Park we had kept a provision for ICD, something this kind of facility only way back. But 2 years back around, the Allied ICD approached us for this kind of proposal. Immediately we captured this proposal and given them a preferential allotment of land so that this facility can come up at an early date.
Speaking for Graphite India, we have a substantial export profile where 70% of our production is exported. Durgapur, we added a new module, and this export terminal will ease the pressure of exports, particularly in the second half of the month, where we experience difficulties in handling our exports through the port. In that sense, this export terminal will be this container terminal will be extremely beneficial to the export community.
I have seen the site, I have seen the project coming up, like a baby who has been brought up in front of my eyes. Mr. Pramod Srivastava is a very dynamic person. In fact, the state needs people like him. It was his concept, his brainchild to start with, and he shared his ideas with me right from day one. It would have been much better had it been earlier. Nevertheless, I have adequate confidence that this will bring adequate advantages to all importers and exporters in the vicinity.
আমি শ্রীবাস্তবকে ওয়েলকাম জানাচ্ছি এটা করার জন্যে, এবং ওনাকে আমি ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি। উনি যে দুর্গাপুরে এসছেন, এসে যে এই খোঁজ খবর নিয়ে এটা যে করতে চাইছেন, আমি দুর্গাপুর চেম্বার অফ প্রেসিডেন্ট মিস্টার রবীন্দ্রনাথ আঢ্য ওনাকে আমি শুভেচ্ছা জানাচ্ছি।
Allied ICD had mentioned that this will be a state-of-art ICD, and I think they should provide the fast and specific as well as advantage of the state-of-the-art technology to their clients, and they should be in full cooperation with the department so that we can facilitate to the extent possible.
I know Sri Srivastava ji very well. He is a highly dynamic person. He is contributing this idea since long, but unfortunately it was delayed at different level. However, at the end of the day, the entire thanks goes to Sri Srivastava for his untiring effort for the cause of the exporters and importers of that Raniganj, Durgapur, Asansol area. As I know for certain that the exporting and importing community will be gaining enormously. And again, we must thank Sri Pramod Srivastava ji for his unique concept, attempt and untiring effort in the field of facilitating export. I wish them all very success.